Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. More than a dozen people were killed from road crashes last weekend, marking one of the deadliest periods for road safety. And while the police have been ramping up enforcement activities, they argue that personal responsibility is key. Jamaila Maitland reports.
Head of the Public Safety and the Traffic Enforcement Branch, PSTEB, Senior Superintendent Lloyd Darby says 13 people lost their lives from road crashes between Friday, July 17 and Sunday, July 19. The accidents include the tragedy in Trelawney Friday morning, as well as crashes in Westmoreland and Portland involving motorcyclists.
Multiple deaths in Trelawney. 8 persons injured, 7 died in that collision. We had motorcycle crash in Little London, Westmoreland. 2 motorcycles crashed head-on. Each motorcycle had a pillion. 2 motorcyclists died in that crash, along with a pillion. Down in Portland, we had 2 motorcycles also being involved in an accident. And the 2 drivers of the motorcycle died. The pillion passenger is still in hospital.
SSP Darby says speeding was a major contributing factor. Additionally, the senior officer says some areas are known crash hotspots that motorists are simply not aware of. As for the Trelawney crash,
so that incident was some miles away from our traditional bad spot in Braco, right? So the police presence, we can't be everywhere. We don't have enough resources to be everywhere. And so it has to be a partnership with the general public.
He says the police have been ramping up enforcement. He listed the high police presence along the roads leading to Reggae Sumfest in St. Anne last weekend, while acknowledging complaints about delays from motorists. He says it was not overwhelming. There were no reported vehicular or bike crashes in or around the space before, during, or after Reggae Sumfest.
So a lot of planning and effort went into the staging of Sumfest. We have seen along that corridor in St. Anne, where events held in the past have created a lot of congestion, a lot of inconvenience, especially to the persons that are not attending.
The police are bracing for another major entertainment event in St. Anne in August, the best weekend ever. However, it's the worst for road fatalities. The Emancipendence holiday not only keeps officers busy, but healthcare workers as well. SSP Darby says as the stakeholders continue to plan for the event, he wants motorists to be just as responsible during this time. Jamaila Maitland, TVJ News.